about dodge and burn. As you can see on the image we have here, we have done our frequency separation, and the frequency separation has flattened the image. With that, we've lost the quality of the highlights and the shadows. Look, for instance, from here, let's look at the before and the after. Hold on to your Alt key and click here to check your before and then after. You can see the before and the after. Now we've lost quality of light here. So what we're trying to do with dodge and burn is to restore the highlights and the shadows. So the highlights and the shadows have been created as an action for you at the Bobby's photography. Once you have the highlight, once you have the action, all you need to do is this. Once you have it downloaded on your computer, you need to come to actions and then come to this area here to click on load actions. Once you click on load actions, you can easily search for the downloaded action on your computer. Now all you need to do is double click, or you click here, then click on load. The action loads automatically, and all you need to do is click on it. Once you click on it, it loads for you. Open up the group, and then you can see the dodge and you can see the burn. So now let's start with our dodge. Click on the dodge, and then you go to your brush. Go to your brush tool, and then you adjust your opacity and your flow. For me, I work with opacity at 100, and my flow, I leave it at 2, so that it doesn't become too harsh on my image. Then you apply by brushing. You brush your highlights. That's where you have your highlights. That's where you dodge. Dodge it. You can reduce the size. On the nose now, it's dodging. Then you can come towards here, straight for wherever you have the highlights to restore it. Basically, for me, I usually like to hide all folders, retaining only my before. This helps to see where we have the highlights clearly. You can see the difference now. You can zoom in, zoom in. It helps you see where you have the highlights clearly. Keep brushing, keep brushing, keep brushing, and keep adjusting your tool. I'm on the lips now. You see the highlights, restoring the highlights there. Come here. Okay. Brush out. These are the areas we have the highlights. So you can restore all the images back by clicking on Alt and the hide. Then you come to the body. Just hide it again so you can see clearly where we have our highlights. And you brush. You brush. Brush with your brush tool. So you can all see it clearly. Trying to restore the highlights here. My brush tool. And that's how we do at the Bobby's photography. Bring it all to your view. Okay, now you can see, to know if you've done anything and you want to see the quality of what you've done, all you need to do here is what? Click on the eyes to see the before and after. That's before and now after. You can reduce the image to your before and after. You can see it's been restored. It's been restored. So practically, you feel, if eventually you feel it is too high, it is too high for you, you can come to your opacity and reduce it. You can see the effect when you reduce it and when you increase it. You can reduce and increase. For me, okay, let's say we'll leave it at 85. Fine. Then let's go to our bond. Now we're on the bond key. Now ensure you are not clicking on this. Make sure you click on the dark part, on the black part. You understand? That shows the mask. It's the layer mask. Make sure that's where you're clicking on. to work on it, because if you don't click on the layer mask, no effect will happen. And when you're doing that as well, remember the black layer mask hides while the white what opens. So make sure when you have a black layer mask here, ensure your layer here, your foreground is set to white. Okay, so the foreground can be set to white and your background black. Now we are about to apply the bond. You can see I'm clearly brushing on the dark parts now. On the dark parts, I ensure my brush doesn't go into the highlights, only where we have shadows. Only where I have shadows. Ensure you follow the details of the makeup artist so you don't lose the quality of the image. So it's only the parts you have shadows. Brush it now, and make sure your brush is not too large so it doesn't encroach into the highlights. You see the shadows, and on the nose, it helps you to restore the contour, especially for portraits. Makeup artists as well brings out the details of the makeup. You see, you're only applying on the shadows, on the shadows, on the shadows. So come towards the chest areas. I'm on the neck now, trying to restore the shadows. Ensure not to go towards the highlights when you're restoring your shadows. Do that. Yes, I guess we're almost done here. Now, if you feel your shadow is also too much on your picture, you can see the before and the after. Before and the after. If you feel your shadow is also too much, you can also reduce the opacity, let's say to 85 as well. Now, to see what it looks like on the before and on the after, all we need to do is click on the group height. You see it? Now this shows us what it looks like without dodging and burning and what it looks like immediately after dodging and burning. You can see the difference. So let's increase it so we can easily see clearly. Back to 100, back to 100. Then we use the eyes. Can you see? You can see. So with this, you can also go back and see your before and the after. Before and the after. All you need to do is hold on to your Alt key and click the eyes. You can see before and after. Before and after. Before and after. So wherever you feel there was highlight and you did not see the highlight while you were editing, you can easily restore the highlights back there. That's how it happens at the Bobby's photography. You can see it clearly. So I guess by now you all understand how it works and how to operate your dodging and burning action and how to apply on images. So thank you all for watching, and do remember to click on the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so as to get our videos immediately it is uploaded. And we implore you to contact us for more actions and more